Hi guys, this is Mike at netbooklive.com and we're here today with the Vaio SB, the Sony Vaio SB. We're going to take a quick look at it. We have the device right here. As you probably know, the Vaio SB is a premium 13.3-inch laptop, and it has been available for a couple of months now in Europe. Not sure if it's yet available in the US, but should be available there soon. And this is a laptop you would pick if you want something better than the regular Acer or maybe a ASUS laptop. This is a premium notebook, like I said. Let's take a quick look at it. You will notice from starters that it is fairly slim and very sleek looking. It measures like nearly 1 inch in thickness, so quite slim here. It is also very light, weighs only 1.75 pounds, which is at least 0.2-0.3 pounds less heavy than lighter than most of its competitors, like the MacBook Pro or some of the others from Toshiba. Okay, the exterior, as you can see, is made from this rugged material, which is actually magnesium, which feels very nice. It will be scratch resistant, it will be reliable in time, and actually allows very good grip when grabbing it like this and holding it. So magnesium is used for the lid cover, and magnesium is used as well for this bottom part. You will see on the bottom part that you don't have access to the battery. So battery is integrated, you can find it inside this one. There's a 6-cell 52 watt-hour battery in here, and you're also going to notice that here in front you can open this bay and you'll get access to memory and RAM, and you have two connectors here, this one and this one. One of them is for the docking station. This one can be connected to a docking station, and the other one is for a slice battery. There is a bigger battery, a slice one. You can connect here. It will make the device heavier and bulkier, but can give you up to 15 hours of life, which is quite nice. Also on the back you have this thing, and in here you can insert a SIM card. So this is the SIM card slot. This one comes with a 3G module installed. However, I'm not really fond of this cover. Looks kind of flimsy to me. I'm not sure if it's going to protect the SIM card very well. Okay, let's take a quick look at it on the sides of this device and see what we have here. First, on this part, on the right side, we have an HG Duo Magic Gate. So this is a card reader for Sony's proprietary cards. This is an SD card reader, so two card readers here. This is a Kensington lock, VGA output, HDMI, USB 3.0 here, another two USB 2.0 simples, LAN, gigabit LAN, and this is the PSU. You notice that these are kind of cramped here, so using all these three USBs at the same time might be a problem, but I guess you have to deal with it. This is what they could do, given this one comes with such a slim design. Right here on the back you can see this is the screen's hinge, fairly solid, looks very nice, and will be quite reliable in time. And here on the back there is a cooling vent. This is the cooling vent here, and on this other side, as you can see, you have this jack for headphone. It's placed towards the bottom here. Not really sure if this is the best place to get it. And this is here an optical unit, which can be a DVD writer or a Blu-ray combo based on the version of the device. On the front you have here a couple of status LEDs here. This is the switch for turning on and off wireless, and this is pretty much all. You can see here there are the mouse buttons. You can find them in here. Okay, so let's open this device. First, you should notice how thin the screen is. You can see, very thin, looks very nice, but it's also solid, and the hinge, like I said, quite nice as well. You're also going to notice that the screen is made, we're talking about a 13.3-inch display, but with a non-glare finish, so you can use it outside. Materials around the screen, the bezel around the screen is made from aluminum, and the entire part here, the palm rest and the area around the keyboard, is made from a single sheet of aluminum as well. On top of the screen you have camera, you can see it here, it's a 2 megapixel camera. And now let's take a quick look at this keyboard, which is actually excellent. This is perhaps one of the best keyboards I've ever seen on a mobile computer like this one. It's very comfortable, nice finish, nice rubbery finish on the keys, well spaced. As you can see, often used keys are oversized like this, looks very nice. Not even space is noisy, so it's pretty quiet. So like I said, this is one of the best keyboards you're going to get on a device. I'm very impressed with it. I can't say the same things about the trackpad. You can see the trackpad is here. It's placed in the middle of the device. It is fairly proper size, so it is pretty wide. It is okay. It has independent click buttons, and right here in the middle there is a fingerprint reader. However, my problem is with these click buttons. They're very stiff and very difficult to press. You can see here I'm struggling to press them, and I have to, I'm not sure if you can see, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here it is. You can see now I'm struggling to press this button for right and left click, and if I'm going to try and press the button here, most of the time it won't take my command, so I have to press towards the sides right here, and it's not going to work that good. Also, the fact that buttons come way down here on the bottom part of the device will interfere when you're trying to use the device on a couch or on your bed, because mouse buttons can be accidentally pressed as they're placed over here. So not the best trackpad, and not the best trackpad design either. Also, I should show you a couple of other things. There are these buttons on top of the device. I'm going to take a quick look at them. First, here, this is the left part. You have a quick button for ejecting the optical unit. If you press it, of course the device has to be open, so it's not open right now. Press it, the optical unit placed right here will pop out. Here you have the speakers. This is one here and the other one on the other side here, and right here you have a switch for stamina and speed. It says here stamina and speed, and what this one does actually is allows you to switch rapidly between the graphic chips inside this one. This one comes with AMD Radeon graphics, besides the integrated one from the Core i5 chip, and you can easily change between them by using this switch here. Usually you'll have to do this in Windows by right-clicking and selecting a couple of things. Right here it's easier, you just have to move this switch. Also, right here you have a couple of other status LEDs for num lock and caps lock and stuff like this. And on this other side you have the power button. Here's the power button, and here are three buttons: Assist, Web, and Vaio. Assist launches Vaio Care, which is an application will help you if you encounter any problems with your device. Web launches a browser, of course, your default browser, and Vaio launches the Vaio Control Center with a couple of basic tasks that will come in handy as well. Okay, so this is pretty much all I have to say about the exterior. We're going to go ahead now and power the device, and we'll talk about it more. Okay, so I press the button, it is here, like I said, and while this one powers, I'm going to tell you a couple of things about the hardware inside. This one comes with the latest generation Core i5 processor. It's also available with the Core i7. The particular processor we have on this one, on this test unit, is the Core i5 2520M, so it's a mobile processor, clocked at 2.5 GHz with hyper-threading, with turbo boost, so quite powerful. Also 6 GB of RAM inside, and like I said, dual graphics with the integrated Intel HD graphics and AMD Radeon 6470M chip which is a dedicated chip. However, it is not one of the fastest you can get on the market right now. It's pretty much an entry-level graphic chip, but it will come in handy if you want to play some games or stuff like this. Okay, now we're going to take a quick look at the performances of this device and the software, but this in another clip.